Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. Zoho CRM, found at https://www.zoho.com/CRM, is a robust customer relationship management platform designed to streamline your sales, marketing, and customer service processes. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools that empower businesses of all sizes to manage their customer interactions effectively. From lead generation and nurturing to sales automation and customer support, Zoho CRM provides a centralized hub for all your customer-related activities. This platform allows you to track leads, manage deals, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. With features like contact management, deal tracking, and sales forecasting, Zoho CRM helps you stay organized and focused on closing deals. Moreover, its marketing automation capabilities enable you to create targeted campaigns, personalize customer journeys, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Zoho CRM also excels in customer support, offering tools for ticket management, case resolution, and customer satisfaction surveys. Its integrated help desk functionality ensures timely and efficient resolution of customer issues, contributing to enhanced customer loyalty and retention. The platform is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific business needs. You can create custom fields, modules, and workflows to align the system with your unique processes. Furthermore, Zoho CRM integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other applications, including popular email clients, marketing automation platforms, and social media channels. This integration enhances productivity and streamlines data flow across different departments. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large enterprise with complex needs, Zoho CRM offers a scalable and flexible solution to help you manage your customer relationships effectively and drive business growth. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive feature set make it a powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance their customer experience and achieve their sales and marketing goals. It's worth checking out their website at https://www.zoho.com/CRM for a deeper dive into the specifics.